Dude, those are brighter than my future.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got quite a few things we're getting into. One of them being we're gonna be installing the world's brightest headlights in the Chevy Sonic. We're gonna pull the Chevy Sonic into the garage. We got this new LED headlights. Let's get these opened up. They come with gloves and looks like rubber gaskets. The user manual, we're not reading that. And then the LED light bulb. Today we're gonna be switching out the halogen stock light bulbs for the LED bulbs. These things should make a world of a difference. Some cars have high and low beam built into the same bulb. Not in this car though. There's a low beam bulb and then there's a high beam bulb. Hopefully these bulbs fit into the headlight housing because there is caps on the back of them. I got the clapped out Chevy Supersonic back in the garage. Today we're swapping out the stock generic headlight for the world's brightest LED bulbs. We're gonna need some new racing stripes here soon. Some bitch goes so fast. Freaking clear coat's blowing off the hood. Damn, that right there must be a supercharger. Got one bulb unplugged. That's a $9 Walmart bulb if I ever saw one. Let's make sure we're using the right bulb here. These are H11 and these are 9005. What the hell did I just pull out? A 9005. What the hell size is this? We have child labor laws here. We don't need kids gloves. Gloves are tighter than a virgin on prom night. I got it plugged in. Let's see if these things even light up. Oh, what the fuck? These things should be illegal. That literally looks like you're looking into the sun right now. Got half the headlights switched out. I got the low beam and high beam switched out on these. You can see they're real white. I think they're 6,500K. They're a really cool temperature. And then these are the stock bulbs. They're really dim compared to those. And this one right here, I don't even know what's going on with it. It barely even looks like it's on. It's got all four bulbs in and here is the finished look. Definitely freshened the look of the car up. It went from a yellow dim color to a real cool white color. Wow, does it look good. Let's pull it outside and let's see if it makes a difference. I'm sure it is way brighter, but let's find out. Here's the low beams on the Chevy Sonic, and here is the high beams. They're halogen. We're gonna be switching them to LED. Let's test the LED headlights out now. Here's the fog lights. Here's the low beams. And here's the high beams. Wow, what a difference it made from the old halogen bulbs that were in here from factory. For $50, what a great improvement on lighting.
Dude, those are brighter than my future.
Come here, hurry up, come here. I just got this chick knocking on my door. Tell me you heard that.
Oh, dude, I've definitely heard it.
Dude, the last couple of days, people have been knocking on my door when I get off the school bus and in the mornings and stuff. I'm not kidding. The next kid that knocks on my door is probably going to get tased. The bracket finally came in. It was on back order until December 29th, but we actually got it early.
Dude, your friends don't know how to drive.
Clearly, my exhaust pipe's all bent in. Some people don't know where the brakes are.
This is bent in.
Yeah.
Dude, you know what it means, right? It's time to freaking upgrade. No, this thing's beat to hell and back. Why don't you just give your dad a ring? Yeah, you know, he buys you everything else.
Finally getting some snow today. It is December, so it's about time, and I have yet to rip the RZR in the snow. So I think today we're gonna...
Did you say getting arrested is on the agenda today? Yeah. High-speed chase never hurt anybody.
Nah, I mean, Dad did buy the turbo model, so we might as well put it to use, right?
Might as well.
Are you ready to get arrested?
Oh, hell yeah.
I should probably put my key back inside because last time I went riding with my key, well, roll the clip. I just got my car towed and I could not stop laughing. So since I lost my keys and my car was locked, the guy had to open the door and then the alarm started going off. The alarm went off the whole time he was trying to load it. Here's a video of it. I told him to get that piece of shit out of my driveway. $300 later, that did not end well. But yeah, today we're gonna be ripping the RZR. First off, I should probably get the alcohol out of it because we're running from the cops. I'm not real sure if I wanna be involved with this. Saturdays, that's embarrassing. Hey buddy, find a new road to ride on. This is the RZR road. Hey, you too, buddy. Road's closed. I'm fucking tired of this shit, dude. Road's closed today, dude. It's time to rip the RZR. Surprised she started, it's pretty cold.
Yeah, it is. Holy shit. You're just a powdered son of a bitch, huh? It's like an avalanche. It just, you know, boom, goes down.
What did you say?
I said I'm surprised I didn't click my nuts whenever I clipped the tailgate. It just hung there like a doll.
What?
Holy hell, who rode in here last? Clearly it's not a fat bitch, because you must have got a new type. Dude, bottom out hauling some fat bitches? Give me a handle of fat bitch. Give me a handle of fat bitch in the passenger seat. Bap, bap, bap.
take the RZR out for a rip. First time I got to ride the RZR in the snow. You having fun there, bud?
No, your butt killed me.
We're getting like no traction with bald tires and frozen ground. I brought the RZR down to the reservoir. As you can see, the reservoir is starting to freeze over.
Hey,
what?
I got an idea for you.
What's that?
Let's run across the reservoir.
We could probably make it if we hit it at 80 mile an hour, but I don't know if we're gonna stop for those trees over there.
That's all right. Well, that's boring anyway. Hey, you'd be good. You haul fat bitches all the time. Fat flutz, you know what I mean?
Dude, what are you doing?
Bro, about to take a nap. Turn the light off, man.
Buddy, it's 6 p.m.
I'm sleeping, man.
I'm a lazy bum. I'm gonna sleep at this hour.
Bro, why do you mumble?
No, jacked up on pre-workout, aren't ya?
Yeah, bro.
Let's go.
No, bowing down the deep.
Buddy, you've been watching a little too much TikTok, haven't you?
Yeah, I make thousands of dollars on it.
So that explains why you have every toy in the world.
Nah, it's just daddy's money.
What'd you do, blow the pipes out?
Dad got the Reese's course this morning.
Give us a motivational speech today.
Wake up in the morning, and get up and live your life, and go make some money.
My substitute teacher gives a better speech than an ad. And yesterday she was drunk.
That's it for today's video. If you guys want to shout out, just leave a comment. Today's shout outs go to. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Help us with the algorithm. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.